Hello, students. Nowadays we are reading the lesson Last Leaf. And in our previous video, we had known that there was two girls and Shu and Johnsy, and these two girls lived together. And Johnsy was very seriously ill, and she had pneumonia. Shu was her friend, and she was very worried about her, and she sent for doctor, and doctor came every day there, but there was no change in her condition. Shu was so worried. mm, and Sue tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things and had a positive attitude and positive thinking. So she talked about clothes, fashions, and various things, interesting things. But Johnsy did not respond. She continued to lay still in on her bed, and suddenly when Shu was drawing a painting, she heard that Johnsy was counting backward. She went to her and she asked the reason why she counting backward. And then Johnsy said that there was creeper outside of their window, and in the autumn season, the creeper, the all the leaves of creeper had fallen. And as the leaves were falling, Johnsy thought that her end was coming near, and she said that when the last leaf falls, I will die. uh, Shu tried to console her and tried to said her that don't worry, and you will be well soon, you will be get well soon. But she did not thinking so. And then Johnsy Shu wanted to make a painting of a miner. So she need a model. So she rushed down, and a barman lived on the ground floor. So she went to the barman. She wanted to call Brahman up to be her model. So okay, so move on the next part. What happened after that? um, he was a 60-year-old painter. His lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece, but that had remained a dream. Shu poured out her worries to Brahman. She told him how Johnsy was convinced that she would die when the last leaf fell. And Burman was also a painter, and he was a 60 years old person. His lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece. And but that had remained a dream. He could not paint masterpiece still then. Shu poured out her worries to Burman. Poured out her worries means she told about her worries to Burman, that how Johnsy was ill, and she told him how Johnsy was convinced that she would die when the last leaf fell. Is she stupid? Asked Burman. Burman asked, is she stupid? How can she be so foolish? She is running a high temperature, complained Shu, and Shu said that she is running a high temperature. She refuses to eat, to drink, and that worries me a lot, Shu said. Johnsy refused to eat or drink anything, and Shu was very worried about her. I will come with you and see Johnsy, Burman said. Burman said to Shu. They tiptoed into the room Johnsy was sleeping. Shu drew the curtain together, and they went to the next room. She peeped out through the window. There was only one leaf on the creeper. And then they tiptoed. Tiptoed means very silently. They entered into the room. Johnsy was sleeping, and Shoo drew the curtains together. And then they went to the next room and they peeped out through the window. They looked out through the window, and what they saw, there was only one leaf on the creeper. It was raining heavily, and an icy cold wind was blowing. And outside there was a raining, and icy cold wind was blowing. It seemed as though the leaf would fall any minute now. And it seemed that because there was raining and icy cold wind was blowing, so it seemed as though the last leaf would fall any minute. Burman did not say a word. He went back to his room. Okay. John C. woke up next morning. In a feeble voice, he asked Sue to draw the curtain. And John C. woke up the next morning, and she, in feeble means very weak voice, very slowly, she asked Sue to draw the curtain because she wanted to see the creeper. Sue was nervous. She drew back the curtain very reluctantly. Reluctantly means unwillingly. She did not want to draw the curtain because John C. would see the creeper, and if it has no any leaves, so she will die. But she drew the curtain very unwillingly. Oh, she exclaimed as she looked at the vine creeper. When she looked at the vine creeper, she exclaimed. She was surprised. And she said, "Look, there is still one leaf." And one leaf was there. And so she said, "Look, Johnsy, there is still one leaf." On the creeper, it looks quite green and healthy in spite of the storm and the fierce wind. It didn't fall. And on the creeper, there was last one leaf, and it looks quite green and healthy. It looks means that leaf looks quite green and healthy in spite of the storm. And because the last night there was a big storm and heavy wind was blowing and it was raining heavily, but in spite of all those things, the leaf was there, and the fierce wind, in spite of the wind and in spite of the storm and in spite of the raining, it didn't fall. So I heard the wind last night, said Johnsy. Said Johnsy, I heard the last wind last night. I thought it would have fallen. It will surely fall today. Then I will die. And but see, there is no change in her thinking. She said that I thought it would have fallen in the wind. It will surely fall today, but today it will surely fall, and then I will die. You won't die, said Shu energetically. And Shu, with energetically, she said, "You won't die. You have to live for your friends. You have to live for your friends because your friends loves you. What would happen to me if you die? What would happen to me? Because I also love to you. So if you die, so what would happen to me?" Johnsy smiled weakly and closed her eyes. After every hour or so, she would look out of the window and find the leaf still there. And after every hour or so, she would look out of the window. So time to time, she looked out of the window and she found that the leaf was still there. It seemed to be clinging to the creeper. So in the evening there was another storm, but the leaf did not fall. And in the evening there was another storm. Yeah, another heavy wind was blowing, but leaf did not fall. Johnsy lay for a long time looking at the leaf. And Johnsy lay down on her bed, and she was looking at the leaf. Then she called out to Sue, and after that she called Sue. I have been a bad girl. You have looked after me so lovingly, and I have not cooperated with you. I have been depressed and gloomy. The last leaf has shown me how wicked I have been. I have realized that it is a sin to want to die. And when she saw that the leaf was not falling after the heavy wind, I have then she thought, I have been a bad girl. She called Sue and she told Sue that she had been a bad girl. She was a bad girl because she was thinking negative. You have looked after me. She said that you means Sue had looked after her so lovingly. She was very careful to John C. And I have not cooperated with you. She said that she had not cooperated with Shu, and I have been depressed and gloomy, and she had negative thoughts, and she was in depression, and she was so sad. The last leaf had shown me, and the last leaf which was on the creeper still then, that taught her that how a leaf um, was struggling to be alive. But the John C. Was not struggling to live alive, and she was so depressed and so sad, and she thought that she will die. She would die. And she Then she thought that the last leaf had taught her that we should struggle to live. We should do struggle to live, and we should have positive thinking. And so she said that how wicked I have been. I have realized that it is a sin to want to die. It is not good to want to die. And so to be to be sur- to survive, we should do hard work, we should struggle, and we should have positive thinking. So she was regretted on herself. Then she regretted on herself that how she was thinking, how she was in the negative thoughts. Then she understood the reality. Okay. And next, and then Sue hugged Johnsy. Then she gave her lot of hot soup and a mirror. Johnsy combed her hair and smiled brightly. And then Sue hugged Johnsy. They embraced with each other, and then she gave her a lot of hot soup. Sue gave her soup and a mirror, and Johnsy combed her hair and smiled brightly. And now she was well. In the afternoon, the doctor came after examining his patient. He told Sue, and when afternoon the doctor came and doctor examined the patient, means to Johnsy, and she told Sue, Johnsy, now has the will to live. I am confident she will recover soon. Now I must go downstairs and see Berman. He is also suffering from pneumonia, but I am afraid there is no hope for him. And then doctor said to Shu that Johnsy now wanted to leave. She has a positive thinking. And so I am very confident that she will recover soon. She will get well soon. And now I must go to downstairs. And then doctor wanted to go downstairs, and he said that he wanted to see the Burman. The Burman was the old painter, and he is also suffering from pneumonia. And he was also that Burman was also suffering from pneumonia, but doctor said that I am afraid there is no hope for him. There was no hope for him because he was old and he could not survive now. And then he was so ill. And then the next morning, Shu came and sat on Johnson's bed, taking Johnson's hand in hers. She said. And the next morning, Shu came and sat on the Johnson's bed and taking her hands in her hands, and she said, "I have something to tell you." And then she told something to John C. that Mr. Brahman died of pneumonia this morning. There was a news, and Mr. Brahman died of pneumonia this morning. He was ill for only 2 days. And he was ill for only 2 days. The first day, the janitor found him on his bed. His clothes and shoes were wet, and he was shivering. He had been out in that stormy night. And what happened to him? He was out that in the stormy night, and his clothes and his shoes, all things were wet, and he was shivering, he was trembling, and he had cold, because he had been out in that stormy night. So, what was he doing at that stormy night? We can see the next paragraph, but you can see here in this picture, and you can understand what would happen. Okay. So then they found a ladder and a lantern still lighted, laying near his bed. And then they found a ladder and a lantern also still lighted, laying near his bed, and there were also some brushes and green and yellow paints on the floor near the ladder. There was some paint, and the brush also was there. John C. dear, said Shu. And then Shu said to John C., "Look out of the window. Look out of the window. Look at that ivy leaf. Look at that leaf on the creeper. Haven't you wondered why it doesn't flutter when the wind blows?" And she asked her, "Haven't you wondered? Haven't you surprised why it doesn't flutter when the wind blows?" That's Burman's masterpiece, because that is Burman's masterpiece. Burman painted that leaf. That was not original leaf. That was not original leaf. In that stormy night, when there was raining heavily, Burman went out of the building, and he painted the leaf on that creeper. And he painted the leaf so perfectly that it was his masterpiece. It has become his masterpiece. And John C. Thought that the leaf was still there, while the original leaf had been fallen. He painted it the night the last leaf fell. When the last leaf fell, so he painted it at the night. Okay, so that was not original leaf, but John C. Understood the reality to see that leaf. Okay, and John C. Was happy then, and John C. was had good health after that. So it was your story, it was your lesson. O. Henry is the writer of this story. Okay, and now there was some questions, 1 2 3 4. So it is your homework. It is your homework. Okay, so so write the answer of these questions. Okay, so it is the time of Hindi Shamri. Okay, तो स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें हमने देख लिया था कि किस तरह से जॉन सी नेगेटिव थॉट से घिरी हुई है। वो सोचती है कि जैसे ही आखिरी पत्ती गिरेगी क्रीपर से वो मर जाएगी। और शू जो है वो पेंट करना चाहती है और वो एक ओल्ड माइनर को बनाना चाहती है, इसलिए वो बर्मन को एज ए मॉडल लेना चाहती है। वो नीचे गई ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे जहाँ बर्मन रहता है, और बर्मन जो है वो 60 साल का ओल्ड पेंटर है। उसका भी एक ड्रीम रहा है ज़िंदगी में कि वो भी एक कोई मास्टरपीस बनाएगा, मास्टरपीस में एक बहुत बेहतरीन पेंटिंग बनाएगा जिसको दुनिया हमेशा याद रखेगी। लेकिन वो उसका ड्रीम अभी ड्रीम ही है, वो अभी तक मास्टरपीस नहीं बना पाया है। सू ने सारी बात जॉन सी से रिलेटेड बर्मन को बताई, और बताया कि किस तरह से वो ये कन्विंस हो चुकी है कि जैसे ही लास्ट लीफ गिरेगी वो मर जाएगी। तो बर्मन कहता है क्या वो बेवकूफ़ है, ऐसा कैसे सोच सकती है, ऐसे बेवकूफ़ी वाले आइडिया उसके दिमाग में कैसे आ सकते हैं। लेकिन शू कहती है कि वो तो उसको तो बहुत तेज़ टेम्परेचर है, उसको बुखार है, और वो कुछ भी खा भी नहीं रही है, पी भी नहीं रही है, और मैं तो बहुत चिंतित हूँ उसके बारे में। बैरमैन कहता है कि ठीक है, मैं आऊँगा उसको देखने के लिए। और फिर दोनों बहुत ही साइलेंटली उसके कमरे में जाते हैं। जॉन सी सो रही है, शू ने कर्टेन ड्रू करती खींचती है, और फिर वो दोनों नेक्स्ट रूम में जाते हैं, और वहाँ से वो बाहर झांकते हैं विंडो से, और वहाँ देखते हैं कि केवल एक ही पत्ती उस क्रीपर पर अभी तक बची है, बाकी सब गिर गई। और बाहर बारिश भी हो रही है बहुत तेज़, और बहुत ठंडी हवा चल रही है, और ऐसा लगता है कि ये किसी भी मिनट अपने आप ये पत्ती भी गिर जाएगी। बर्मन ने कोई शब्द नहीं कहा और वो बाहर चला गया। अगली सुबह को जब जॉन सी उठी तो उसने बड़ी धीमी वॉइस में सू को कहा कि ज़रा कर्टेन हटाना, मुझे बाहर देखना है। सू नर्वस थी कि हो सकता है कि पत्ती गिर गई हो, और ये फिर सोचे कि अब मैं मर जाऊंगी, इसीलिए अनविलिंगली, ना चाहते हुए भी उसने किसी तरह से कर्टेन को हटाया, पर्दे को हटाया। लेकिन जैसे ही उसने पर्दा हटाया, बाहर देखा तो वाइन क्रीपर पर एक लीफ है, आखिरी लीफ है बची। वो खुशी से कहती है कि देखो अभी तक आखिरी लीफ है, अभी गिरी नहीं है, आखिरी लीफ है। और ये तो बड़ी क्वाइट ग्रीन, बड़ी मतलब हरी दिखाई दे रही है, क्वाइट हेल्दी भी दिखाई दे रही है। इस सारे तूफान और हवा और जो जो भी चला है उस सब के बावजूद ही गिरी नहीं है। जॉन सी कहती है हाँ, मैंने भी रात को हवा सुनी थी, आवाज़ सुनी थी कि बहुत तेज़ हवा चल रही है, और मैंने तो सोचा था कि ये तो शायद गिर गई होगी पत्ती, और आज तो निश्चित रूप से ये गिर जाएगी और मैं मर जाऊंगी। तो शू कहती है नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा, तुम ऐसा क्यों कह रही हो, तुमको तो जीना होगा अपने दोस्तों के लिए, और तुम यदि मर गई तो मेरा क्या होगा। जॉन सी स्माइल किया उसने हल्के से, लेकिन फिर अपनी आंखें बंद कर दी, और वो हर घंटे खिड़की से बाहर देखने लगी, लेकिन जब भी बाहर देखती पत्ती वहीं पर रहती, और वो क्रीपर पर टंगी हुई है, क्रीपर पर लगी हुई है, वो गिर ही नहीं रही है। और शाम को फिर दोबारा स्टॉर्म आया, लेकिन पत्ती तब भी नहीं गिरी। जॉन सी अपने बिस्तर पर लेटे लेटे पत्ती को ही देख रही थी, कब गिरेगी कब गिरेगी। और फिर उसने सू को बुलाया, जब उसने देखा कि पत्ती नहीं गिर रही। फिर उसने सोचा कि मैं बहुत गंदी लड़की हूँ, मैं बहुत बुरी लड़की हूँ, और शू तुम मेरी इतनी देखभाल कर रही हो, इतने लविंगली तुमने मुझको केयर किया, मेरी मेरी केयर की, लेकिन मैंने तुम्हें बिल्कुल भी कोऑपरेट नहीं किया, और मैं बहुत ही डिप्रेस थी, निराश थी, और बहुत ही दुखी भी थी रही इस समय। और जो ये लास्ट लीफ है, इसने मुझे समझाया, मुझे दिखाया, मुझे समझ में आया कि मैं कितनी बेवकूफ़ हूँ, कि मैं मरना चाहती हूँ। मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं तो बस मरने वाली हूँ, मैंने हाथ पैर बिल्कुल छोड़ दिए, जबकि ये लास्ट लीफ जो है वो कितना स्ट्रगल कर रही है जीने के लिए। इसके अंदर पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग है, तभी ये मर नहीं रही है और जीने के लिए संघर्ष कर रही है। और मैं जीने के लिए बिल्कुल भी संघर्ष नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं और नेगेटिव थॉट्स में घिर गई हूँ कि मैं तो मर जाऊँगी। और ऐसा रियलाइज़ करना, ऐसा सोचना तो पाप है, मरना सोचना तो पाप है, इट इज़ सिन, सिन मीन्स पाप। और ये मैं बहुत गलत कर रही थी, उसको पूरी चीज़ समझ में आ गई। सारी नेगेटिविटी उसकी दूर हो गई उस लीफ को देख करके। उस लीफ ने उसको समझा दिया कि जीने के लिए जूझना चाहिए, संघर्ष करना चाहिए, और हमको इतनी आसानी से थोड़ी सी भी परेशानी आए हमको नेगेटिविटी नहीं धारण करनी चाहिए, और हमको जीने की एक पॉजिटिव सोच रखनी चाहिए। तो ये सारी चीज़ उसको समझ में आ गई है। सू ने उसको गले लगाया और फिर उसको खूब सारा सूप दिया पीने के लिए, उसको एक शीशा भी दिया, और जॉनसी ने फिर अपने बाल बनाए, कंघी की, और फिर स्माइल करने लगी। फिर शाम को डॉक्टर आया। डॉक्टर ने अपने पेशेंट को एग्जामिन किया, अर्थात जॉनसी को देखा, और डॉक्टर ने कहा कि जॉनसी अब जीना चाहती है, इसीलिए मैं कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ कि ये जल्दी ही रिकवर हो जाएगी, जल्दी ठीक हो जाएगी। और क्योंकि आज अभी मुझे नीचे सीढ़ी से नीचे जो ग्राउंड फ्लोर है वहाँ भी जाना है, वहाँ बर्मन को देखना है, क्योंकि वो निमोनिया से बीमार है, पीड़ित है, उसको भी निमोनिया हो गया है, और मुझे डर है कि उसके लिए कोई होप नहीं है, वो शायद ज़िंदा नहीं रहे, अब मर सकता है। अगली मॉर्निंग को शू आई और जॉनसी के पास बैठी। जॉनसी का हाथ उसने अपने हाथों में लिया और जॉनसी को कहा कि मैं तुमको कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ कि बर्मन की डेथ हो गई है। बर्मन डाइड ऑफ निमोनिया दिस मॉर्निंग। आज सुबह ही बर्मन की निमोनिया से उसकी डेथ हो गई है, वो मर गया है, और क्योंकि वो 2 दिन से बीमार था। और पहले दिन जब जो उसको लुक आफ्टर करने वाला व्यक्ति है, उसने जब जेंटर ने उसको देखा तो उसके बेड के पास आया तो उसके कपड़े, उसके जूते सब गीले थे, और वो ठंड से कांप रहा था। और उसी स्टॉर्मी नाइट में वो बाहर गया था। अब वो बाहर क्या करने गया था, आप यहाँ देख सकते हो क्या कर रहा है। वो लीफ पेंट कर रहा है क्रीपर पर। तो देन दे फाउंड, फिर उन्होंने पाया कि वहाँ पर एक सीढ़ी भी है, और वहाँ पर लालटेन भी अभी तक जल रही है बेड के पास में, और देयर वाज आल्सो सम ब्रशेस, वहाँ पर कुछ ब्रश भी हैं, कुछ पेंट भी है ग्रीन येलो कलर का, और फर्श पर जो ऑन द फ्लोर नियर द लेडर के पास में जॉनसी डियर, सू ने कहा कि जॉनसी डियर देखो खिड़की के बाहर देखो, वो जो आइवी लीफ है वो अभी तक है, और वो गिरी नहीं, इतनी तेज़ हवाओं के बावजूद भी नहीं गिरी, और वो हिल भी नहीं रही है, वो एज इट इज़ है, वैसे की वैसे ही है। क्यों? क्योंकि वो बर्मन का मास्टरपीस है। वो लास्ट लीफ नहीं है, वो ओरिजिनल लीफ नहीं है, वो बल्कि बर्मन ने पेंट करके बनाई है। ही पेंटेड इट नाइट द लास्ट लीफ फेल। उस नाइट को जब तेज हवा चल रही थी, जो आखिरी पत्ती जब गिर गई थी, तो बर्मन ने उसको वहाँ पर पेंट किया, एज इट इज जैसी वो थी वैसा पेंट किया, और ये बर्मन का मास्टरपीस है। उसका ड्रीम, उसका जो सपना था वो सफल हो गया। उसने एक इतनी बेहतरीन पत्ती बनाई, एक मास्टरपीस बनाया जो कि हमेशा याद रखेंगे। और उसके कारण, उस लास्ट लीफ के कारण तुम्हारे अंदर पॉजिटिविटी आई और तुम ठीक हो गई। और तुम तो सोच रही थी कि लास्ट लीफ गिरेगी तो मैं मर जाऊँगी, कहाँ मरी, तुम तो ठीक हो। तो बर्मन के मास्टरपीस ने तुमको बचा लिया और तुम ठीक हो। और बर्मन की डेथ हो गई है क्योंकि वो उस तूफ़ानी रात में, उस बारिश में बाहर गया था, और उसने वो पत्ती पेंट की उस समय तुम्हारे लिए, और उसके कारण उसको अपने आप को ठंड लग गई और वो मर गया। ठीक, तो इस तरह से ये लेसन यहीं ख़त्म होता है, और हमको ये लेसन ये सिखाता है कि हमको किस तरह से पॉजिटिविटी अपने अंदर रखनी चाहिए, नेगेटिव थॉट्स को उसको दूर करना चाहिए। और ये जो 4 क्वेश्चंस हैं, इनमें से A1 क्वेश्चन शायद आपने कर लिया होगा, और बाकी 3 क्वेश्चन आज आप कर लें, ये आपका होमवर्क है, टुडेज़ होमवर्क। ओके, सो इट इज़ द एंड ऑफ टुडेज़ वीडियो, थैंक यू।